Hello guys, so welcome to our channel Oracle Database Smart. Today we will see how to set up the Oracle database, and here I have set up one Linux machine. So if you want to see how to set up the Linux machine, you can visit my previous video in this my channel. So let's start for this Oracle database setup. Okay, so here you can see there is not any database running currently in this DB. Okay, S- sorry. Okay, there is no database running. You can check CTNS also not running. Okay, so I'm going to this Oracle. So I have prepared one script steps for the checklist, and this steps we will follow in this tutorial. Okay, so here you can say Oracle database setup. Okay, so in Oracle database setup we have require one user, one group. Okay, and we will create one group. We will create one user, we will create user as password, and then we will create some directories. So all the details we will given in the description, so you can find this steps from below, but here I will show you first. In this first step we will create some directory and group and user. Okay, so here let's start this our video. So here you can see this is my Linux machine. There is IP 192.168.205.187. Okay, and this is the fresh machine we have installed. If you want to visit, you want to see the how to install the OS machine and Linux OS machine, so you can visit my previous video. So let's start. So first here we will create some user. First step, add. We will start from the directory creation. So this is the directory, and this is the directory permission and ownership. So we will set up. So you can execute as it is while we are creating. So I'm going to user root user. Okay, and I'm creating this directory. So as it is, you have to also create this directory. Okay, so I'm just going and paste this. You can see here is the we are providing this creating the directory here, giving the ownership of this Oracle and Ora installs group, and here provide the permission. So this is the all details. So just you have nothing to do, just you create and provide the permissions of this privilege of this directory. So this part is doing here. So for this is nothing is to do here. Just you can copy and paste this directory. If you want to create as it is directories, then you can use no problem. So I'm just creating overall everything. Okay, now I will give this full permission of this Aura install of this u0 directory slash u01. Okay, so now let's first step we have already completed, and now to come to the step 2. In this step 2, this link we can follow and download this Oracle database setups. Okay, you can see I will go going to this site, and you can see this file we have to download for this Oracle database setup 19c. Okay, so Oracle database 19c 19.3 for Linux OS machine. Okay, so Linux OS for this is the Oracle database setup. So you have to download this. So I have shared this link in this video. You can visit this link and you can download. I have already downloaded. So here I am directly going to the next step 3. So copied this file and in the desktop system through Visual. Okay. So I'm going to this WinSCP, and because we have to copy from local machine to the virtual machine. For this purpose we will copy this 192.168.205.186 and T7, sorry. And our user is Oracle password. Okay, so here we will copy this. I'm going to this home location. Wait a second. I'm going to root user. I'm going to U01 app. So I will going to the home path. So our home path already we have created. I will show you. This is the DB home 01. In starting first step here, this is our home path we have created. Okay, we created this directory. This is the home path. Okay, so this home path we will use for this copy the file in this target location, and then we will start the installation and configuration. So here you can see this is the getting copy, and once copy it will be complete, then we will start this in configuration installation, and whatever the process we will follow. So until this video going to pause, once it will copy, then we will start. So here hello, okay guys, so here you can see our file has been copied on the into the home location. So I'm going to do my system, and we will check. I'm login and going to this home location and check file has been copied. Okay, no help message. Okay guys, so here you can see our file has been copied. Okay, so now we will, this is the database zip file. So here in the Linux machine we have to unzip this file, and then so first we will unzip this file. So what is the command? Unzip and file name. So this is the simple command. So we will unzip this file. So here you can see there our file is getting unzipped. Okay, file is getting unzipped. Once it's completed, then we will start the configuration. Until we will see our steps. Okay, here we have downloaded and we have copied to the target home location. Then we will, and now in the four step, sorry, now step 4 we will copy we will install some prerequisite of the Oracle database. So this is the yum install which we have required for the database configuration. This is the some packages we have required for database package. So this is the command we will use and install those packages, and then we will install the Oracle database. Okay, So here you can see successfully our file is unzipped. You can see all file is unzipped. And now going to the second step. In the second step, after unzipped, we will install this yum. Okay, so going to the we will going to the root. Okay, root user sudo sorry root. Okay, so here we will run from the root. Okay, this command we will run from the root, and this is the packages, some packages of the required prerequisite in Oracle database. Now come to this next state. Now installation and configuration. So now, okay, okay, guys. So now come to this second step. After this unzip installation of prerequisite, we are going to configure installation of the Oracle database. So for before Oracle, install Oracle database, uh, we have required some graphical interface. Okay, so for graphical interface, I will show you. We have all install X launch Xming. Okay, this Xming we have required, and we will start this Xming. So how to this Xming we will use for this regarding you can visit my video, but here how to set up this Xming and for this graphical interface. So graphical interface here I have now just we have start this display setting and going to the next nothing we have to do, just next do and finish. So you can see it will be start in background. Okay, so here Xming server is running, but if you want to say full setup how to Xming download and how to set up, so you can visit my channel and there is a Xming Xming related video, so you can visit this video and you can full configuration and full setup you can see of the Xwing 11. Okay, so here just nothing to do. We have start just start the Xwing, and now we will take the one fresh session for this Xwing for display configuration. Okay, so here I'll put the IP and 187. Okay, this is the IP and going to this SSH, and there is the X11. So I will do we have to enable this, and just local host port 0.0, and we will use this configuration in this putty level. Okay, so putty level you have to set up this you have to stick this enable xming forwarding and then local host colon 0.0, and you can put the IP name. Okay, and just open and log in with your Aura user. What is Aura user? Whatever, you can just log in with the user. Okay, so you can see I will already successfully log in. I will take this directory path here, and I'm going to this session for this Xming session. Okay, so I'm just selecting this, and I'm going to this location. You can see here our installer is already here, and already we have started our xming. Okay, xming server is running. Now I'm just dot slash and just run this installer. Okay, so you can see after this installer, you can see it will be pop up our graphical interface, and here you can say launching the Oracle database setup wizard. Okay, so it is getting launched. Okay, here you can see our wizard is getting successfully launched. Okay, so now in this in this configuration, you can see first wizard we are waiting as configuration option. So here in first configuration option, create and configure a single instance database. So here it will be create one single instance, and as well as one default database it will be create. But if you want to set up only if you want to set up the Oracle database, and after that you want to create your own database, then you can choose this option, setup software only. But here I will be the demo purpose, so I want to show you how to create the database and as well as instances and as well as database. So here I am choose this option. I'm going to this next and select the desktop class. This is the our we are using for the testing purpose. If you are you want to install as a server class, so you can select server class, but I want to as a desktop class, so we are just as it is. I'm going to the next. Okay. Okay, here is the typical installation configuration part. So here what is your base? So base path we have to already taken by default. Use 01 app Oracle. What is the software location? So already we have copied into the home location. What is the data file location? So it is creating by default. It is taking some Aura data, but I have already created. You can see here we have already created a data directory. So I want to see this path, it will be used for the data files. Okay, so I'm selecting this location. Okay, I'm going to the root and u0, then app Oracle product 19c. Sorry, it is not Oracle data, sorry, Oracle. Okay, this is the we want to choose this location for our data file will be created, because already we have created this directory for the data files. Okay, and if I want to choose O install for this OS DBA group. Okay, and I want to create. I'm not want to create the container database. I'm just create the simple database instance. Okay, so I will give you the some name of this database. You can see database is name getting or database name is ORCL. If you want to you use your own name, so you can provide. No, don't worry, no issue in this name. Okay, as it is, you keep as it is, or you can provide as per your convenience. Okay, so let's all the setup is okay. So now let's go to the next steps. Okay, now here you can see instance is already in use. Okay, so it was earlier it was in use, so I will use some other name. So here I will going to use Aura DB. Okay, so here I will use Aura DB instance. Okay, so you can see it will be going to the next step. Okay, so in this next step it will be root script execution. So for this root is some script will be execute once the data will configuration. So required some script execution for this packages. So for this it will asking for this password, or you can here you can just check and provide the root password. So it will be automatic that will execute in this root taking the root password. Okay, so I will provided the root password for this script execution and going to the next. Here you can see our DB configuration is checking for the OS prerequisite check. So I have already prerequisites we have installed. Okay, Nothing to we are not getting any error, and we are successfully it is configuration information here given. Okay, so it means our everything is okay and fine. So we can go with the installation part. Okay, so all configuration is fine. Now we can start the installation. So just click on install. So you can see it will be take several times. It means around 30 to 35 to 40 minutes. It will take in installation, and then it will be create some one data base. So for until we can pause this video, once it will complete the database installation, I will show you, and for this end of this video. Okay, so once finished I will come back to this video. Okay, you can see here our everything is just 7% is completed. Now configuration local node prepare and link binary setup is in progress. So it will be take sometimes around 30 to 40 minutes. So we will wait for this configuration. Okay. So, okay, guys, so here you can see our setup has been installed successfully, and here you can see the configuration of the database was successful. Okay, so our Oracle database setup is successfully configured. So I'm going to close this window, and I'm just going to this session. We will check our DB is running or not. So I'm going to check here. You can see Aura DB is Pimon is getting, and we will check TNS. So you can see the listener is up and running, and we will going to the login in the database and check our DB status. Okay, so I'm going to log in with the sysdba. Okay, so SQL is not found because we have to say, export some location for Oracle Home, and you can see here Aura DB, Aura DB, and this is the we have to export this base location, Oracle Home, and Oracle Home Bean. So this four location we have to export and with SID. Okay, so going to this export, and then I'm going to log in with the Oracle SQL Plus with the sysdba. So here you can see I'm getting the login in SQL Plus. So now just we will check the database status. Select name open underscore mode database underscore role from v dollar database. So this is the sorry v dollar database. Here you can say our DB is Aura DB, and open mode is read write, and database role is primary. So here guys, this is our full configuration and installation setup video. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comments.